Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to talk about how to search scholarships in Italy. So first of all, we have to search the names of universities in Italy in the Google. Say suppose I just search universities in the Italy. Say suppose this one is the University of Turin. So we are going to check that how to search for the PhD scholarships in University of Turin in Italy. To check this, we need to go to another tab and open the website of university, and we just have to add this keyword like PhD call 2022, and then once you click on this, there will be like all the details of PhD programs which are offered at University of Turin. Here we can see there is a website which is listing all the necessary the majors which are offered here. They are offering PhD in agriculture, forest and food science, archaeological, historical and historical artistic sciences, bioengineering, other fields. From here you have to choose your major, that what kind of major you want to pursue there, and make sure about one thing, that in Italy they offer very integrated programs. So if you are looking for a very simple name like PhD in electrical engineering, PhD in PhD in mass communication or something like that, means you will not be able to meet that proper major, specific major, because they are offering very integrated majors. So after that, now we are going to check the what is the details, how many scholarships. You can see here it is clearly written the deadline for this scholarship is 31 May and 2022. So from here you can see this is like their English website, and this is a call for this year and next year. So we have to open this one. So if you want to read more about the details, that what are their criteria, it is highly recommended that you should read it properly. Read the call of university, call for the applications very carefully and properly before going to application process. Here you can see announcement call. So you have to read all this very carefully and very properly. All these majors, they are offering PhD programs. So first of all, you have to select any kind of major, and then you have to go and check all the necessary details and requirements of this program. Once you finish reading this call, then you can go to apply and how to apply. Say suppose this is like a website for the agriculture, forest and food sciences. You can see all the necessary details for this program on this website. So once you go there and you already finished your call, reading the call, and then you have to go for the words like that, online platform or login or something like that, apply here. Then you can go there and click on this. For this you can see you have to rewrite your CV in their format, and this is the application submission guideline. Before going to the application section, you must read this submission process. In this guideline, they have clearly defined that what you have to submit, what you have to write, and what will you upload on the system. So after checking all these details, you have to make an account or create an account here by using a new registration. And sometimes most of the systems are in Italian. So suppose from here you can also translate directly into the English or into Italian if you know something about Italian, or maybe you can just right click and then if you are using Google Chrome, then translate to English. It will be directly translated. And after that, once you complete your form, you will become like a new user of this website, and then you can go and fill the form and with your all the documents and what else they are required. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video. If you have any questions, you can write in the comments box. I will happy to answer all of them. Thank you.